In Pocket 3D, the most useful tool that every grading operator loves this for is what's surface check. If I go down to survey, stakeout, and at the very top go to surface check, what that allows me to do is walk anywhere in that project where the model shows up and put the rover right on the ground, and it will give me a cut fill to grade. If you notice in the bottom left corner, there's a vertical offset. That number basically indicates how far from finished grade or whatever that surface model was built to you want to go above or below. For most grading operators, machine control files are built to finish grade. So what you want to go to do is to stake out vertical surface offset and then adjust your offset to whatever subgrade material. Albeit you're in an 8-inch building pad, you would do it in tenths. So you put in negative 0.67. And if you notice in the bottom left, your V offset changed to negative 67. Now the software knows to grade 8 inches below. So if I'm in a building pad right now, this is actually going to tell me what my cut fill is to dirt. Same thing with the road. If I move into a middle of a road where I know I've got, say, 11 inches of material, I would need to go in here and adjust my vertical offset again to match that 11-inch offset. So then I could type in negative 0.92, and that way my vertical offset and my cut fill is going to match the subgrade. The biggest issue a lot of operators have is they forget to adjust that vertical offset based off of where they are in a project. If they don't keep an eye on that, it can cause issues and you can end up over excavating or too much undercut, and your building pads might go low or your roads might be cut too high, and you still have to do extra work when you thought you were done. And then another thing to watch out for is if I go to vertical offset and I just delete it out and hit OK, the software is going to assume 0, but if you notice in the bottom left, vertical offset's now disappeared. Me being a visual person, if I don't see 0, I don't trust it. So what you can do is go back to V offset under stakeout and then type in 0. And then it shows up and it shows you a 0-foot offset for your vertical.